Friends, I've got lots of news and rumors from the AI industry for you. The star of the show will definitely be Claude from Anthropic. Right behind him will be ChatGPT and Google Gemini AI. But you can also look forward to interesting news from smaller AI companies. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. This is Tomáš Černovský from the Tomas AI channel. In 11 years, our marketing agency has generated over $50 million in profitable revenue for our clients, and thanks to AI, we deliver more sales and leads to them and also build their brand more efficiently and faster. My challenge for you, I publish videos about AI almost every day, and if you keep watching this YouTube channel, taking notes, testing, and trying things out until the end of June 2026, you will be able to work with AI better than 99% of people and companies, and that is my mission. So let's start with this first news. Again, this is from Testing Catalog. Shout out to you. You are the best. And this one is, this is an Anthropic news. Yes, I just wanted to check if I'm on the same page as here. Yeah, Anthropic is working on the voice mode support, which means the thing that you know from ChatGPT, the voice mode. And in Claude, it should be operating Claude co-work agents with voice would be obviously a huge improvement. So it feels like it will work as a toggle in a similar way to how it has been done on ChatGPT. Whoa! Claude for the win, guys. They are gonna innovate a lot this year. Yeah, they are. Additionally, co-work in Claude mode will be merged with chat mode and become the default UI of Claude Desktop. Yay, again. Anthropic is working on a new feature called Commands for Claude Code, as well as a new customized section for skills, connectors, and commands. Skills editor will get a revamped too. So, as I mentioned, guys, these news will be a lot about Anthropic and Claude, so definitely leave a comment on this video and say Claude if you use Claude on a regular basis. And again, shout out to Testing Catalog. We will be sourcing you quite a lot in this video. So thank you very much for providing this information and these insights. Love it. So another one, Notion is working on a big set of new AI features for Notion Agent, custom MCP support, new agent integrations with Linear and RAMP, Notion Mail and Notion Calendar triggers for custom agents, custom workers tools for agents, custom connectors, new library and feed tabs, AI code co-editor, and computer use for AI agents. Lovely. Who does use Notion? Let me know in the comment section too, because I'm a big fan of Notion. And if you use Notion Mail and Notion Calendar and Notion, I think you are in the winning combo. ZAI released GLM 4.7 Flash, a new 30B open source model with a 59.2% achievement on SWE bench verified. So it killed all those Gwen 3 and GPT OSS 20B, except in AI ME25, where ChatGPT won. Yes, guys, now you can run many SWE agents like Claude Code, Codex CLI, and Gemini CLI, and others on remote VMS, managed with a single agent's API released by Blackbox AI. So AI agents will be outsourcing. Another one, Google is working on a PRD generation feature for Stitch to let users generate a document describing their designs and prototype. API basis usage is coming to Stitch as well. This one is a really good one, guys. NotebookLM app for iOS is about to get a video overview generation as well as customization options for slides and infographics. Great one, guys. I'm really pumped for this one. Again, MEMOS is a new open source agent memory framework that enables AI agents to remember past interactions and learn over time. Long-term memory and consistent personality can now be implemented almost anywhere. And this one is really decent, guys. So definitely go test MEMOS. This one was again published by Testing Catalog. One of the DeepSeek repositories got updated with a reference to a new Model 1 model. Flash MLA is a DeepSeek's library of optimized attention kernels powering the DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek V3.2X models. So maybe a new Chinese model here soon? Yes, I expect it that way. Google expanded Gemini to 23 more languages, 70 plus languages and 230 plus countries are supported by now. And before we move on, guys, I really appreciate your support and I would be really pleased if you can support this channel because we are literally building together one of the biggest AI channels out there with all these AI news, tools, AI tips and tricks, guides, automations, whatever, everything that you will need in 2026 to succeed in career, entrepreneurship, building a company or your personal life. So definitely hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and also don't miss the like button under this video because I need your support, guys. It would mean the world to me unless you just don't like these videos. So in that case, see you. But in the case that you like these videos and you appreciate them, please do all these actions. Now back to the video. Highly appreciated, guys. Thank you very much. So we are back to Anthropic. And that means Anthropic is working on the export option for Claude Code on the web and desktop. Really, really nice, guys. A true Gemini 3 Pro is being... Oh, that one is no good, guys. We'll move on to the next one right away. Sorry. And that means OpenAI is rolling out age prediction system for ChatGPT. What it means is when the age prediction model estimates that an account may belong to someone under 18, ChatGPT automatically applies additional protections designed to reduce exposure to sensitive content. I think that this is a really great move forward because a lot of people under 18 need additional protection. Claude Code is now generally available as a VS Code extension with support for mentions, comments, and more. Claude Code is almost everywhere, guys. Who does still use how is it called? OpenAI Atlas browser? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Because Atlas browser can now show specific actions on certain websites. Here you can see, for example, they are in a YouTube, and on the right-hand side, you can see timestamps. So once you click on timestamps, which will instruct ChatGPT to pull this info from YouTube into the sidebar. I think that's a really cool feature, guys. It's not like a killer feature, but it's a really decent one. Anthropic has announced new health connectors for iOS and Android, which are being rolled out to Pro and Max users in US. Well, ChatGPT or Claude in the health? Well, I would maybe trust slightly more to Claude than ChatGPT. Who knows? Let me know in a comment if you trust more Claude or ChatGPT from OpenAI. Google has released its own MCP server for Stitch, which can be used to generate UI designs on the fly and fetch code directly from your IDE. Nice. And we are again testing catalog and Claude. Anthropic is working on a new search menu for Claude. Yes, where you will be able to quickly search through the past chats and trigger quick actions, ask your organization or new tasks. And many more actions will enable power users to operate Claude much faster. That's lovely, lovely, guys. Google is rolling out a custom SAT quiz experience to help users prepare for the exam. So we in Europe, here in Czech Republic, we don't have SATs or some standard test you guys have in the US. We don't have it here across Europe, so this is not for us. Apple plans to turn Siri into a full-feature campus AI app according to Bloomberg. The new Siri experience is an AI chatbot codenamed Campus that will be embedded deeply into iPhone, iPad, and Mac operating systems and will replace the current Siri interface. Guys, I'm super pumped for Apple doing this doing this cooperation with Google and Gemini AI. I really do think that this can change things up. LM Arena now supports video generation battles. So earlier, this feature was only available through Discord channel. And we don't stop, guys. We have many more. So let's go. Meta started testing its new AI models from the Meta Superintelligence Labs internally, according to Meta CTO Andrew Bosworth. Which means they are cooking, guys. They are cooking. Another one from OpenAI Atlas browser. It now has tab groups, which is, practical feature. Yeah, I would like to use it. Yeah, but, I'm definitely not using Atlas these days. I'm in Arc, back in Arc, but I am sometimes trying Dia or the one browser, Neo, which is the browser from, what was it? The antivirus company, Nortonlock? No, I don't know. Sorry, guys. I don't remember that. Too many tools, too many browsers. Cognition released Devin Review, a new AI tool to help you navigate through thousands of vibe-coded lines of code. Devin Review uses AI news to group related changes, catch bugs, and provide suggestions. This one should be really good for those that are doing vibe coding. Google started rolling out personal intelligence in AI mode for US users. We are rolling out the ability to connect search to your Gmail and Google Photos as a labs feature for AI Pro and Ultra subs. Eligible subscribers will automatically have access to this feature. So if you have it, definitely let us know how it actually works in a real world. Perplexity is rolling out a new Google Drive search. Select up to 5,000 of your most important files for us to catalog and keep in sync, enabling even more comprehensive answers available with Enterprise Pro and Max tiers. Yay! And this one is really good. Vercel opened a new waitlist for the upcoming launch of a new AI product for V0. V0 is coming to take your job to the next level. Sign up for early access. That was really funny, guys. I will put the link in the description so you can sign up there for on the waitlist. OpenAI is planning to ship new Codex upgrades over the course of next month, where the first launch is already expected to arrive next week. Cybersecurity enhancements are on the way as well. Lovely. Lovely. They are working on it. Google is preparing to release videograms for Gemini, video templates that users can remix with their own content. Videograms were announced earlier and released to a small number of users. A broader rollout is imminent. That's a good one. I am pumped to use it. Claude is in Excel and is rolling out to pro users. So this one is really cool, guys. If you are stuck in an Excel and you are really fighting with it, you got some tasks in your school or some project in your company, this one should be already installed in your Excel. So definitely go do it. OpenAI is working on a shopping cart for native checkout from ChatGPT and new merchant tools. Additionally, there will be an option to enable personalization in temporary chats. Well, and this one is really decent, guys, because there we go. This one is again testing catalog. Shout out to you. You are the best. And the Cloudbot is something that's really, really cool because Cloudbot, this is a screenshot from Cloudbot. You can see it. And they say that's the AI that actually does things. Clears your inbox, sends emails, manages your calendar, checks you in for flights, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app you already use. So I would love to test this one and let you know, guys, how it actually works, if it can stand these promises. Walk the talk, as they say. So leave a comment, Cloudbot, under this video, and if there will be a few comments mentioning Cloudbot, I will record a review on it. And now we have Google is working on integrating Firebase with AI Studio to enable users to build more complex apps. Users will be able to wipe code, a proper database integration, and an authentication layer. This is accompanied by an updated UI for the build page and support for commands. Lovely, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you are, pumped from all these AI tools, news and rumors. Definitely hit the subscribe button on this channel and also click on the bell icon so you won't miss any future AI news and AI update. Definitely click on the like button under this video. Don't forget to check this video out. It's a really good one. And I will see you guys tomorrow with the next one. Cheers.